Hello, hello. Okay. I think I should be. Yeah, I think I'm live. Cool. So, quick video about my recap for today, and I guess it's an interesting one because it's another day of of really bearish market, and I took some trades on the basis that it's it's a demo account, right? You want to keep trying, just seeing what works, what doesn't, uh, with whatever way stock moves, right? So I took some trades. As you can see, I'm profitable, but ignore this. I was filled in with some ridiculous amounts there. Actually, let me have a look. I think it wasn't during the first. Da, 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 da. Is it? Yeah, that's the one. Let me have a look. I'm just gonna disable the sound, I think. Is it disabled? Yeah. So no need for that, so it doesn't get noisy. Let's see. So that's today. Let's have a look. Is it today? Yeah, this, I think. SKT. Yeah, there it is. So that's what happens in demo sometimes. So let's have a look at this. Yeah. So yeah, because of these big wicks, I was filled. I should have restarted my what is it, Explorer or something, because that this taskbar shouldn't be overlaid. Anyway, 25.50. Come on, it was selling off, and I shouldn't have been filled. It's just because of those weird wicks. I got filled for so much, so I reduced my account and actually by this amount and some more, because actually it was going against me. So I would have closed for a loss. So I deduct another $30 from my account, just trying to keep it real, like as much as possible. I know that the demo trading gives you weird fills, so I'm just trying to just to keep it as real as possible. So adding and yeah, removing stuff depending. So just trying to do that. So anyway, so lost there. Lost there instead of made money. So overall, for today, after commissions, I'll be like, even though it looks green, $92, 17,000 shares traded. But there's, I think, one other trade that was profitable, but it's just like $5 or $3 after commissions. Never mind. 38. So I want to actually keep it lower than it actually shows, just in case. And just I don't want to be just cheating to the upside. I want to cheat to the downside if I can, so to keep it to keep my expectations low, I guess. So what I like about this, like I said before, is that it's flat, right? In a bear market, when the things are selling off, when the market is doing what it does at the moment, I think if we look here, let's see what it does, things like this, right? That's Tesla here. What have we got here? I mean, GME, I'm looking at it, but hold on. There's some good ones here to look at, right? When things like this happen, you don't want to be losing money. You want to be out of the market. You don't want to, unless you play to the short side. And it's something I'm looking into, how I can short these things in the future, right? Because if there's bear market, you can't be trading momentum to the long side, because like today there was barely anything. So I was focusing on this. Look at this, right? I actually might make a video who I got the ideas from, and I'm really excited about this guy because he's not just some. I hope he's not trying to sell anything. It's not some guru. Uh, and he makes real money. So overall, let's just look at SPY. Yeah, it's everything's selling off. Everything is selling off. And then, right, I'm kind of frustrated because it's for so many days I'm kind of not making any progress, right? I'm not making any progress. But then I look at some younger people, and it's something I should be blamed for as well, or blamed, or I did as well. So let me just read you some comments of people. At this point, I can't even buy dips anymore because I spend most of it buying dips, and the market just keeping dipping, just keeps dipping. Um, right. Yeah. So yeah, but the dip, buy the dip was a fun meme. I can't buy any more dips. Holding on for the dear life. Mm, da, da, da. I'm drowning from all the dips I've taken. Um, market is dying, and your funny comments just keep me laughing, and I am also all in the red. Uh, I was almost up to K. Now I feel like by the end of the week I'm be at 1,000. Blah blah blah. Okay, I thought I had it on some better ones, but anyway, I think there was this other thing. Yeah, yeah. I think there were better ones. Yeah. Hold on a second, because there's some good ones, and then I'll explain. Yeah, my average is now 740 on Tesla, and Tesla at the moment is where? Is this one? This one. And Tesla is basically at 617, actually bounce of 600. And Amazon needs a fat green day. I need it back up to 3,400. And comments like this remind me of the time when I was going short in 2020 and the market was going up. I think it was like April when the bounce started. And it was just like, my God, please, I needed to go down. I needed to go down, or it's impossible. You get the bad news in the market, and the market bounces on bad news. It goes up. So they report, I don't know, more shutdowns. The market goes up. Like whatever news there were, the market was reacting the opposite you would think it would. So it just I think that it was a very valuable experience in those during those times. I remember just it was so stressful. It was so stressful. It was just basically praying, sitting and praying. Like this comment. Amazon needs to. If I need it back up to 3,400. The market doesn't care. You have to have some kind of risk management in place. You can't be hoping or asking the market to do something for you. It's never going to work. So there's going to be lots of hard lessons. There was a guy who said, I had to cut losses. Now I'm in red. Like I lost all my profits from November, and now I'm in red. So there'll be lots of disappointed people in the market. Like these things cannot go on forever, right? There has to be times when the market's gonna pull back, and it might pull back for quite a long time after what we've seen after record months or a year, right? There was this other guy I was listening on some podcast or somewhere, and he said he made so much money and he doesn't care about the losses because he can make it back in a couple of days. Yeah, I mean, if the market keeps going up, right? Or if it behaves the way it was behaving, and if it suits your strategy, but if it reverses and then you hold the positions or it doesn't give you the opportunities anymore. So we can only trade the market we have in front of us. And if the market changes and it doesn't suit your strategy, you're going to lose money. That's simple as that. So I hope it makes sense, and there's some value in that. I mean, I'm just learning myself by myself as well. Like I spent a year And maybe, like, some people can look at it like, you know, there was so much opportunity in 2020 to make money, and I didn't trade. I spent time in front of the computer, just learning, because I've proven myself that I don't have a good strategy and I don't know what I'm doing. So I lost 5 grand, 5,000 pounds, and stopped trading. And there was so much opportunity, I didn't trade. I was just watching the markets. I was just spending time practicing and learning. So, and it takes, they say, 2-3 years, most of the time, I guess, to become profitable. And if you made money in 2020, that's great. But I don't think lots of people follow the good risk management. And this period, if it's gonna go on like this, at what point are you gonna say enough is enough? I remember when I was in such a big drawdown at some points, I just didn't care anymore. It reaches the point when you don't care about the losses, you just want to close a trade because you don't want to look at the the red increasing. You just want to close it. You don't care, and because the pain is greater than any dollar amount. So, and I remember that it was awful, and I think from what I'm experiencing, it's very often the quicker you close something that goes against you, it's better. I think because yeah, it's more painful eventually. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through the trades that I took. They're not very interesting. There wasn't much going on. I'm just sharing with you my thoughts and my journey, because I have it split into 3 separate videos, and it wasn't anything in there really. I shouldn't have been trading, and that shows me here. So I think when my live account is open, I'm just not gonna bother. So also, I'll try to trade tomorrow, but I'm not sure if I will. I think I will still. I want to open the account. The thing is, we are leaving for holiday tomorrow. We're going skiing to Switzerland, and maybe I'll post some videos from there. And we'll see how it works, whether I'll be able to open my demo account and do some practice trading from there. But it all depends whether the internet will be good, will be sufficient. So that's it for today. It's still in the green and just flat at the moment here, and we don't know how long it's gonna take. I'll keep at it. I reduced how much I trade. I want to keep my losses small, but also my my winners are small at this point. So yeah, it's not the market that we've seen in the last 2 months for sure. So that's it for now, and yeah, am I gonna do the recap tomorrow then, if we are on the way? Because we're gonna drive. We're gonna leave later in the, I think, in the afternoon or towards evening. I'm gonna drive overnight to be there at like noonish tomorrow in Switzerland. I mean, not tomorrow, on Saturday. So we'll see. We'll see what I can do. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one, if I'm gonna be able to close this thing. Yeah, okay.